Hey everyone, I was working with a student named Latoya this week on solving 5 times 26. And the first thing that she said to me was that anytime something's times 5, she likes to double this number and then half this number. So she said it's really easy because if you double this and then half this number, she thinks that 10 times 13 is way easier. It's just 130. So let's take a look at what she did. This here is 26 times 5. 26 by 5. So what she's saying is she went to 13, she took 26 and put it in half. So I'm going to count it to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. And okay. So let's look at that again. So she says that if you take, this is 5 by 26. She said if you half 26 to 13 and then double the other side, you get the same answer, so the same amount of squares. So all of this equals 130.
Hi everyone. I was working with Go, who had an amazing idea for 5 times 26. Now what he told me is that this is like money for him. So he thinks about 26 cents. So check this out. So a quarter, and then a penny, so there's 26. And there's another one, 2. He's going to grab 5 of them. 3, 4, 5. So what he told me that he does is he just splits this 26 into 25 and 1. So he goes, well, that's pretty easy because it's just 5 quarters, which he said is $1.25, plus 5 cents. So $1.25 plus 5 cents is just $1.30 or 130. It's a great idea.